Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This video is part 4 of 5 on organizing my upright freezer in the garage. First of all, I took everything off the shelf. Because a lot of things were in containers, it wasn't too bad. I put the deer meat in larger Ziploc gallon bags so they wouldn't fall on me when I opened the freezer. Then I put back the cheese that was already in a container. I put the deer meat back on the sides of the cheese container and then relocated the veggies to the next shelf. It is now organized and easy to see what I have on this shelf in the freezer. Find a place in your home, and maybe a shelf, a drawer, your medicine cabinet, or whatever you want. Set the timer for 10 minutes and see what you can do. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.